How to fix Rockstar Games. Sorry, we're unable to handle your requests at this time. Yeah, in this quick video, I'm gonna show you troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue on your Rockstar Games account. Now, this is actually a bug or glitch that is currently ongoing. All you have to do first is to log in into your Rockstar Games account, and once you logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right, go into account, and then choose on manage account. Now, once you're here, all I have to do next is go to connections. And then from connections, if you have link accounts to their third-party platforms, all I have to do is to unlink and then just simply relink it again. Next thing to do is to go into your Windows search and type in change date. Now, from the date of your PC, all I have to do here is to make sure that your time zone is set to the correct time that you're currently in. And if you're not sure about the time, then just simply choose on the sync option or the sync feature, which is going to be the sync now, and then restart your PC. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Rockstar Games. Sorry, we're unable to handle your request at this time.